Welcome guys, and today I'm going to show you how you can do payment using Revolut to Austria. So what you'll need to do is basically open up your Revolut, then go to the payments right here, click on the plus icon, select international, and where it says select destination, you will need to use search bar or just scroll down and search for Austria. But it will be faster if we use search bar. So select search bar and type Austria. As you can see, if I select Austria, I will be able to send the money. So just select the amount that you want to send, put some info, and then confirm it. And that's pretty much it, guys. That's how you do a transfer from Revolut to Austria. So if this video was helpful, please make sure to subscribe to Guide to Everything, comment down below for the algorithm, and see you in the next one.